Glassware requires special care to maintain its clarity and prevent damage. Whether you're cleaning everyday drinking glasses, laboratory equipment, or delicate stemware, proper technique ensures spotless results. Step 1. Rinse immediately. Rinse glassware with warm water right after use to prevent residues from setting. This simple step makes deep cleaning much easier later and prevents staining. Step 2. Basic wash. Fill a basin with warm soapy water using mild dish detergent. Gently wash with a soft sponge, paying attention to the bottom and rim where residues typically collect. Step 3. Tackle stubborn stains. For mineral deposits or water spots, use white vinegar on a soft cloth. For organic residues, try a paste of baking soda and water. Let it sit, then gently scrub and rinse thoroughly. Step 4. Handle delicate items carefully. For wine glasses and stemware, hold by the bowl, not the stem, while cleaning. Use a specialized glass brush for narrow necks and work one piece at a time to prevent breakage. Step 5. Rinse and dry properly. Rinse with clean water to remove all soap residue. Air dry on a clean towel or use lint-free cloths to prevent water spots and streaking. Bonus tip: storage matters. Store clean glassware rim side down or covered to prevent dust accumulation. Proper glassware cleaning isn't just about appearance. It's about maintaining hygiene and ensuring optimal performance. No time to clean? Let us help! Call Bear Brothers. Cleaning at 256-633-6332 or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com because your home deserves to be berry clean.